Is Nana getting in there on this one?
Can I go?
Weak.
Good guys.
Face.
It came out my mouth.
I know, but it sounds like you're going.
Go for it.
It won't come out.
See who can do this the longest.
Adrian.
Alright.
Okay, ready? Damn.
Don't waste the whole case of pasta.
I can't. Mine's all like disgusting.
Oh. You said that last time. No.
Let's get you hear it.
Sorry.
Sucker in.
That was good.
I think she needs to get out of this and there now.
Yeah.
Competition.
You lost it?
I did.
It's with old age. Go ahead. Walk of shame. Walk of shame. Don't fart because my cut apple is right behind you. Oh, girl, done.
And you're just breathing more. You're just being soft.
This is what, training for birth?
Yeah, it is.
And
Don't
let-
fucking make the
let me-
apple go black.
Don't show your face, huh?
Go ahead, Nana. You can whack him out.
Oh,
It's, you lost?
no.
Uh-oh. No, you got 5 seconds to get back in. Ew. Ew.
That's it.
Then that's the only one that doesn't get down. Okay.
Wow, who did that?
Adrian.
That was good.
You trying to make noise with them now? Oops.
What do you say? Get out? How about saying loser? Get back up there.
Get off.
Come on.
You know what's crazy?
You sound like
The
you.
street, and everything on the street that was shoveled, it's melted, but the driveway didn't melt.
But the street on
Go ahead, keep going.
goes back
Because the sun is out.
But how come our driveway
Between
didn't
me
melt?
and Priscilla Street. Here.
Dude, let's do this whole chatting after.
Hi, ain't going about.
Yeah, can I say something else? Get it.
Say corn dog.
How long is this gonna go on for?
Are you guys done?
I can get one going.
Let's do 3 more. One.
Let's see how loud it is if we all go together at once.
Nothing came out with that. I know that.
Yeah, the count of 3, you guys do it all together.
Ready? Ready? 1. Guys, get ready. 2, 3.